I've just checked into my room at the Azur Legacy Collection Hotel in Vancouver, and I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the room. And so the first thing you see when you come in is the tea and coffee station. So you've got your Nespresso machine with a couple of pods, some bottled water, ice, etc. And then drawer beneath it, you've got all your cups, glasses, and then the next drawer down are the snacks from the minibar. And then the actual minibar itself is directly above it. So you've got a bit of everything. So wines, premium water, mixers, beers, etc. Now taking you through into the main room. As you can see, it looks and feels quite spacious, and it's very tastefully decorated. So they've used a little recess in the wall here for some artwork, and then just going into the view outside, I have to say for the 6th floor it's not the most amazing city view around, but if views don't matter then it's perfectly fine. I love that on the bedside tables you've got these fast charging stations for your phones, so you don't need to worry about cables. And then taking you back around, you can have a look at the TV. Going through into the wardrobe area, it's quite compact. So you've got your bathrobe, and then up there you've got the steamer, and then right behind it you've got space for your luggage. And then down here in drawers, first drawer is your safe with a little recess for your jewelry or whatever. The next one is laundry, slippers, etc. And then in the bottom drawer, fully lined with felt, is another drawer for whatever you want to keep out. And then the toiletries here are L'Occitane and Provence, and it's a mix of full-sized and smaller personal-sized ones. There's a double sink, and then down here you've got loads of towels, got some spare drawers, got your hair dryer, and then right at the back you've got your bathtub, which is pretty decent size. It's kind of a sitting up one rather than a lying down one. And then you've got bar salts and bubble bath, depending on what you want. And then right next to it is the shower. Quite compact. Again, more of that L'Occitane toiletries. And it's a monsoon shower up there, normal shower down here. And then turning back this way, you've got the toilet. So it's quite compact, but it's kind of got everything in it, and it's quite well designed. And then taking you back through into the bedroom. So yeah, the space is kind of, it feels spacious, even though I think square footage is not that big. I think it works quite well and it's quite nicely designed. And that's it.
Subscribe to Culture Explorer to see the latest videos.